Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how can you start your digital marketing career in 30 days. If you are trying to start a career in digital marketing and you feel like everyone is just throwing tools, courses and random advice at you, take a deep breath. This video is not a list of top 10 free courses or ultimate hacks to go viral. I am going to give you a clear, realistic 30-day roadmap built from real work I have done with brands, creators, and businesses that actually spend money on marketing. This is not a motivational video, it's a game plan. And I will break it down into 6 simple phases for you. The first phase will talk about mindset reset. The second phase is fundamentals. In the third phase, I will do channel deep dive. Fourth phase is about building projects and proof. Number 5, get your first gig. And number 6, depth and future skills. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to focus on, what to skip, how to build your skill set from scratch, and how to start getting real work, even if you have zero experience. The first stage is mindset reset from day 1 to 2. Let me start with this. If you are here thinking marketing is just about running ads or making reels that go viral, it's okay. That's what the internet made it look like. But here's the real game. Marketing is about understanding how people make decisions and then building systems to influence those decisions at scale. That system could be an ad, it could be an email, it could be a Google search result, it could be ChatGPT result. The format changes, the thinking does not. And that's the first shift you need to make. Stop chasing tactics. Start observing what influences attention, trust, and conversion. For example, next time you scroll Instagram, don't just watch a good ad. Ask yourself, why did I stop on it? What made me stay? What was CTA or call to action? What did I feel after seeing this ad? That's how marketers think. They reverse engineer everything. If you can do this daily for just 5 minutes, you are already thinking ahead of 80% of beginners. Stage 2 is learning the fundamentals from day 3 to day 7. Now, before you get lost in the tool rabbit hole, Meta ads, Google ads, ChatGPT, Zapier, take a pause. You need to understand how marketing actually works. I'm talking about the stuff that does not change every time algorithm goes through a shift. So here is what you need to learn in week 1. What is funnel? Simple. People see, consider, convert, come back and tell their friends about your product or service. Number 2, what is the role of marketing? The role of marketing is to help that funnel flow faster, cheaper, and with less friction. You also need to know a few non-negotiables. For example, what is CAC? Customer acquisition cost. What is CLTV? Customer lifetime value. What does a performance marketer do versus a content strategist versus an email guy? Nobody told you this when you saw that reel which spoke about how to become an AI marketer in 7 days. You are not expected to master everything in 5 days. Just get familiar. Use free stuff if required. For example, Google's Digital Garage or HubSpot. Just watch one video a day in the first week. Don't just consume. Write an insight every day and you can share those insights on LinkedIn, Notion, that will force clarity in your mind. Stage 3 is channel deep dive from day 8 to day 16. Now comes the fun part. You will hear marketers say, specialize in one channel. I say, understand all of them, but date one seriously. Let's quickly walk through what matters. Paid ads include Meta and Google ads. This is the fastest way to drive results, but it needs money and logic. SEO, on the other hand, takes time, but once it compounds, it's like free rent on Google and going forward on ChatGPT. Email and WhatsApp, this is your loyalty engine. Everyone ignores this for some reason, but brands make serious money here. Or social media content, great for trust and storytelling, but organic is slow. So combine it with paid. Or analytics, GA4, Meta Ads Manager, attribution. You don't need to be a data scientist, but you should know what ROAS means before you throw it in your deck or in your report. Pick one channel that matches your brain. If you are analytical, try Meta or Google Ads. If you are into psychology, try emails or landing pages. If you love writing or storytelling, go for content or SEO. The action step you need to take is reverse engineer one brand on each channel. For example, see what Duolingo does on social, what Notion or Canva ranks on Google, how Glossier writes their emails, screenshot, comment, save, whatever helps you learn faster and better. Stage 4 is building projects and proof from day 17 to 23. You don't get hired because you completed 5 certifications in digital marketing anymore. You get hired when you can show I made this, I understood this, and I improved this. And the best part, you don't need a client when you are just getting started. Here are 3 projects you can do in this week. Create a mock ad campaign and make a small mock website on WordPress or Shopify. The website could just have 1 or 2 pages. Write copy, show targeting logic, maybe even spend it 500 rupees or $100 to understand this space better. Or write an SEO article for a niche you love. Optimize the title, add internal links, structure it well. Or design a retention flow using Miro or Notion. What happens when a user signs up on your website? What emails go when? What is the trigger? Put them into a Google Doc or a Notion page or a Canva slide. Post about it on LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram, wherever you are comfortable. You will be shocked how fast it builds credibility. I have seen second year students get internship offers just by posting their mock strategy on LinkedIn. Nobody cares about degree anymore. They care about your thinking, which AI cannot replicate or copy. Stage 5. Get your first gig. Day 24 to 28. Now you have got some proof. You have shown the internet that you are learning, doing, and thinking like a marketer. Time to land your first real opportunity. It could be an internship, a freelancing opportunity, a part-time job, anything that suits your need. First rule is stop applying with generic CVs. Instead, do this. Make a Notion portfolio with 2-3 of your best projects, and these are mock projects. Reach out to 10 founders, marketers, or creators and say this: hey, I have been learning digital marketing and built this small project for a brand like yours. Mention their brand name if required, or even possibly mention their competitor's name. I thought it would be useful for you. Would love to help you for free or on a short project. That's it. Yes, help them out for free if needed. You don't need to close 5 gigs, you need just one. And when you get it, be obsessed with impact. Make them say, this person is 10x better than anyone I have hired before. Stage 6. Depth plus future skills. Day 29 to 30. So you made it to day 30. What now? Simple. Go deep. Pick one skill and double down. If it's paid ads, learn advanced bidding, retargeting, scaling. If it's SEO, go into programmatic, AI integrated workflows. If it is about retention marketing, then learn how to run lifecycle marketing campaigns with Klaviyo plus analytics. And while you go deep, build horizontally as well. Like learn how to use ChatGPT for speed, automate reports with Google Analytics 4, Looker Studio, Supermetrics. Use Zapier to connect your workflows, and Zapier is a very critical tool today if you are looking to build your career in digital marketing. The marketer of 2025 or beyond is not a tool junkie. They are an operator that builds these systems. They understand strategy, they move fast, they know what not to waste time on. You are already ahead of most people because you don't just scroll past. You stayed till now, till day 30th. So go, build, and don't wait for permissions. If this helped you even 1%, drop a comment and tell me what stage you are in and commit to fulfilling this stage till 30 days. I'll personally reply and point you to some resources if you drop a comment on this video. Like, subscribe, and share this with one friend who is stuck in marketing circus. And once you complete this 30-day challenge of sorts of starting your digital marketing career, do reach out to me. Maybe I'll feature you in my next video.